So we finished off with the presidents. Right now we have 56 from the last video and 57. The next one will be 58. Add them up. Add them up. 28 plus 19 magic square equals 47. Plus 10 equals 57. Plus 1 equals 58. And that is the one family. The next one is 58. It'll say 2016. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 8 is 16. 2, 4, 8. Forget about the 6. It's a halfway point. 4 times 4, 4 plus 4 equals to P and H, the pharmaceuticals farmers that manipulated us to be who we are today, just slightly enough. But remember, without the mind, the physical can do nothing. Without the mind, the physical can do nothing. Now, look at this. Look at this humble way. There's some I missed something. Hold on a second. Yes, right over here. 89, 93. 9 and 3 is 12. 1 and 2 is 3. 8 and 9 is 17. 8 and 3. Church. 7 and 7 equals 5. 5 and 9. Spirit of 1776 and the theory of relativity and Jimmy Carter. George Bush. 2001, 01 equals 61, bringing in the light. 69, bringing in 15, bringing in the light within Mars. 46, Zion Israel, passing 1/3 of the moon. 869, 41 rotation. 1 and 2, alpha beta, inside George. Bill Clinton, 93, 93 equals 3, equals 71. 9 and 3 equals 12, right? 99 is Jupiter. 00 is 66, is 3. This is 3, this is 9. This says the sky. Between these two, it says the sky. Between these two centers. This equals to 7. This equals to 8. 7 and 8 says the passageway. So I'm connecting these numbers together. 9 and 3 says the sky is Saturn. 60 says 1 says the light within the sky is Saturn. Again, Bill Clinton says a lot about that. You have to look over the two things I said, and it's going to take more than one. And don't ask me. I'm only one man that's able to put together the numerological. Blue. I can't speed up this video. All I'm doing is putting together a very hard knit of only simple little items like why is 3 and 9 say sky? Why does 9 and 3? Well, my only stronghold is 9 and 3 saying Saturn, because the letter count to Saturn in numbers is 93. And Saturn is actually equal to Jupiter because there's a T inside of it. And it equals to 1313, which is 2 suits. Why? Because anytime you have a T, it means 20. 20 is an association of 2 and 3. 1 and 1 on the outside, 1 in the center. This over here, what I'd like to do is get a thing and measure all the way down and then follow all their names. Are there any missing letters in any of these names? Find all the letters in all these names and move them over. And single all the letters of them out. Let's do something easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I don't know if this is 15, 16, 17. There's 17 red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 blue. 17 and 14, 31. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 green. It's 35. So let's do it again. 4. Then there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You see, I count 15 blues. And that's 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There's 18 and 15 is 33. 15 is 6, Mars. 18 is the spirit of Neptune inside Mercury. It's also Mercury again inside Uranus. 18 is 9 and 6, right? We had 18 and we had 15 is 9 and 6. 9, 6, and 4. It's perfect. 6 by 4 is 24 hour. 9 by 6 is 36, 360 around. So these are simple little things that I do. Then it says the yellow is wig. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 wigs. W-H-I-G. See the W? The W is a representative of O, U, and V. The H is a representative of 4 and J. The I and the G is the gateway within the birth. Okay. Now you're going to ask me, what's a gateway within the birth? Well, we're going to stop the video and we're going to look at it like this. What do you think I know? I know a little, very little. I'm moving more on emotion, the motion of the ocean, the movement of the mind, the lakes, the rivers, things that have been cluttered in my mind, to just bring back reality with an added twist to it. And the added twist is like this. Sky, S-K-Y, is 19th letter, the 11th letter, and the 25th letter. Now when I go 25 and 11, it's 36 creation. When I go to 11 and 19, it's 30 creation. One is the creation of the circle. One is just the total creation, creation of all within. There's only a circle because there's a center. I think I hear my phone ringing. I hope not. The circle is the center. The circle is here. But with no circle, how are we pivoted to Earth? No circle around us. The circle is in the middle. We're on top of the circle, like branches to a tree. But now we have a spirit and a circle. There is now 5 inside 1 because we put a circle around the central. Or is there something around us? And we, on this planet, are the circle, the earth, the brown earth. Right? The circle, this circle, which circle are we looking for? This one or this one? This one we live within the 4 corners. But we don't live on the walls, right? So all this 8 is removed, the outside 8. It's actually 48. 8 by 6, 48, that's the size. 8 by 8, that's what chess is. It's chess, but we put players on the chessboard and we lose half the place, right? But so, and here's half space, so we only live here. So what I'm going to do is that since this one gets a total of 8 spaces, we get 1. We only want to take away the edge. We only want to take away the edge, so we take away the edge. You see, this circle, the totality of this circle runs here, right? It runs on each edge. You lose everything in between. And once you close off the edge, you close off everything on the outside of it, or you stay on the outside of it. Otherwise, you're just on the inside over here. What is the real value of 5? The real value of 5, is it just 1 or is it 1 1/4? 1 1/4 means 5.25. What is the end of the year? 5.25 plus 360 degrees, 360.25 days, 365.25 days. Raphael, 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for your moment. We share in time.